Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to disable notifications for posts on your Facebook timeline. If you're tired of constant alerts every time someone interacts with your timeline, this guide will help you regain control. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu, and then select Settings. This will take you to a page filled with various options for managing your Facebook account. Now, under the Notifications section, look for an option called More Activity About You. Tap on it. This section is where you can manage notifications related to activities involving your profile and timeline. Once inside, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. To stop receiving these notifications, simply toggle this switch off. A confirmation prompt may appear. Just confirm your choice to finalize the change. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled notifications for posts on your timeline. From now on, you'll enjoy a quieter Facebook experience without constant alerts popping up. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.